Most people don't realize this, but your immune system is being strengthened or weakened every single day by what you put in your mouth. And no, I'm not talking about gimmicks or miracle pills. I'm Dr. Miriam Martin, physician, minister, and YouTuber. And today we're breaking down the truth about superfoods for immunity and the natural immune boosters that actually support your immune system based on science and not social media trends. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you which foods truly help your immune system function better, why some immune boosters don't work at all, and how small daily nutrition choices can make a powerful difference in how your body defends itself. This isn't about fear, it's about wisdom, and it's about stewarding the body God gave you with knowledge and intention. So stay with me, because one of the most important immune-supporting foods might surprise you. Let's start with a foundational concept. Your immune system runs on nutrients. Immune cells like white blood cells, T cells, B cells, and natural killer cells are living, metabolically active cells, and they require energy, raw materials, and regulatory signals. That's where micronutrients come in. So what are those? Micronutrients are vitamins and minerals that your body needs in small amounts, but they play massive roles. So some examples would include vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin D, zinc, selenium, and iron. So without these adequate micronutrients, your immune cells do not multiply correctly, antibodies aren't produced efficiently, and inflammation becomes dysregulated. So scripture reminds us, my people are destroyed for lack of knowledge in Hosea 4:6. Nutritional ignorance has consequences physically. Another word you may hear often is antioxidants, and here's what that actually means. So when your immune system fights infection, it produces reactive oxygen species, basically biochemical weapons to destroy pathogens. But those same molecules can damage your cells if they are not controlled. So your antioxidants neutralize these excess, what we call free radicals, and protect your immune cells from self-damage, and thereby reduce chronic inflammation. So antioxidants don't stimulate immunity, but they protect the system while it works. And that is why foods and not isolated pills matter. So let's discuss those foods that support immunity. We're going to start out with our leafy green vegetables, such as spinach, kale, collards, broccoli. These are foundational immune foods because they provide vitamin C, which supports your white blood cell function, vitamin A, which maintains mucosal barriers in your lungs, your gut, your sinuses, and folate, which is necessary for immune cell replication. So why does this matter? It matters because your immune system can't respond to threats if it can't produce enough immune cells. Think of your leafy greens as immune infrastructure. Secondly, we have our berries. Blueberries, strawberries, elderberries. Berries are rich in polyphenols, a type of antioxidant that protects your immune cells from oxidative stress. And it improves the communication between your immune cells. So research shows that polyphenols support natural killer cell activity, which is critical for viral defense. The fruit of the righteous is a tree of life, as seen in Proverbs 11:30. Now let's talk about garlic. Garlic contains organosulfur compounds, especially allicin. These compounds support immune cell signaling, enhance pathogen recognition, and they modulate inflammation. Garlic doesn't kill everything, but it helps the immune system respond intelligently. And then fourthly, we have our citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, grapefruit, rich in vitamin C. And vitamin C supports your neutrophils. Those are the first responders in your immune system. It helps immune cells function during stress and supports tissue repair after inflammation. Vitamin C is about immune readiness, not just recovery. And we have our fermented foods and gut health. Yogurt, sauerkraut, kimchi. Over 70% of immune tissue is associated with the gut. And when you have a healthy gut bacteria, you're able to have your immune cells trained to distinguish friend versus foe, reduce unnecessary inflammation, and improve nutrient absorption. So when gut health is bad, immune responses become confused and exaggerated. Let's talk about our fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, mackerel. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and they reduce chronic inflammation, improve immune regulation, and support resolution after infection. A healthy immune system is responsive, not reactive. So I promised you a surprise, a food that boosts immunity that most people don't even expect. Guess what it is? Mushrooms. So why are mushrooms so powerful and so overlooked as an immune booster? They contain beta-glucans. That's a big one because beta-glucans are a type of fiber that activate innate immune cells, improve immune communication rather than overstimulation, and they help your immune system respond faster and more accurately to threats. So unlike many so-called immune boosters, beta-glucans train your immune system, don't hype it up. This is why mushrooms are being studied in viral defense, cancer immunology, and infection resistance. Mushrooms also support immune regulation and respond when needed and calm down afterward. So they help with immune balance, reducing excessive inflammation while maintaining defense. And this matters because chronic inflammation weakens your immune system, and an overactive immune system or response can cause damage. So this is especially important for autoimmune conditions, chronic stress states, and aging immune systems. Mushrooms act as prebiotics, feeding the beneficial gut bacteria. So since 70% of the immune system is connected to the gut, this indirectly improves antibody production, immune tolerance, and infection resistance. Mushrooms are one of the only natural food sources of vitamin D when exposed to light. And your vitamin D supports T cell activation, improves immune surveillance, and reduces infection severity. Low vitamin D is associated with increased respiratory infections and a poor immune response. So mushrooms exposed to sunlight or UV light naturally increase vitamin D content. If there's one thing I want you to remember, it's this. Your immune system doesn't need hype. It needs consistent nourishment. The truth is, superfoods for immunity aren't exotic or unreachable. They're the foods you choose daily that provide the micronutrients, antioxidants, and immune support your body was designed to use. Now here's what I want you to do. Go to the comments and tell me one immune supporting food you're committing to add this week. Is it leafy greens, fermented foods, berries? Did mushrooms surprise you? When you comment, you're not just engaging, you're creating accountability, and you're helping someone else learn too. If this helped you better understand how the immune system works and how natural immune boosters support your health, make sure you like this video. It helps this message reach more people who need trustworthy, science-based guidance. And if you want more faith-aligned, physician-led conversations on nutrition, prevention, and whole body wellness, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's coming next. I've placed a resource in this description below, so be sure to check it out. Remember, small daily choices make powerful differences over time. Honor your body, feed it wisely, and I'll see you in the next video.